Recently I was contacted by a knife manufacturer in China called Kubey. They asked me if I would like to review one of their products, and for years I've been collecting pen knives on and off, especially when I go on holiday. I like to pick up a pen knife and add it to my collection. The knife looked like it was a good quality knife, so I said yes. This is a knife that they asked me to review. It's a mini folding pocket knife with a rosewood handle. It's available on Amazon.com and it's also available from KubeyKnife.com, and I'll put links in the description below. So the knife arrives in this branded box. Kubey have got quite a distinct logo. It comes with a little leaflet with a little bit of information in there and the knife itself. So let's get into the review. The knife is approximately 4.5 inches long. The blade itself is approximately 2 inches long. The blade is manufactured from 440A grade stainless steel, which has got high stain resistance, holds a good edge. It's used for surgical equipment and chisels as well as other applications, knives as well. So you know it's a good quality steel to manufacture a blade from. You can see that the blade has been machined very well. It's a very neat and tidy blade, manufactured to a high standard. This knife has got a substantial weight to it. It really does feel solid. It comes with the manufacturer's logo and name etched into the handle. It's a rosewood handle, and the handle is held together with Torx screws. Now, I read some of the reviews on the Amazon site about this knife, and one person had an issue where they'd lost one of the screws. So you need to be aware of that, but only the one person. It seems to have got very good reviews on Amazon. And obviously, you know, if you use a knife a lot, if you just check it, all you need to do is get a Torx screwdriver and tighten it up if that's a problem. Personally, I don't think it's going to be a problem. It's a locking knife. This is how it locks. This side here is kind of spring loaded. It flicks across when you open the blade. To close it, you just move it across and lift the blade up. Now, the action on this knife is really smooth, and it feels like a very good quality knife. It really does. And I'll just try and, I don't know whether I can get this across on camera, but I'll just try and show you what that action is like. If you like, so there's a resistance there, and then it comes off whatever it is that's causing the resistance. There's no slackness there at all, and as you move it across, one click and two clicks, the second click is the locking mechanism engaging, and that is a knife blade deployed, and there is no movement on that whatsoever. I would say it's been machined to very tight tolerances. And another brilliant feature of this knife is the thumb hole there allows you to deploy the knife and retract it with one hand. Now that to me is very useful. As soon as you pick this knife up, you know that it's a good quality knife. It's very heavy for its size, very solidly constructed. The blade itself is really thick, and as you can see, it's well put together. That indent there, where the locking mechanism is, also makes a nice snug fit for your finger, so when you're using a knife, it prevents your hand from sliding along the blade. Just a nice little safety feature there. The knife has also got holes drilled into the handle that will allow you to attach your lanyard if you wish to. I was always taught that the way to check the sharpness of a knife is to test it on one of your fingernails. So the way you do it is to just literally place the blade on your fingernail, and if it catches and doesn't slide easily, then it's razor sharp. Now, please do not press down on the knife. That's not what it's about. It's literally just resting the knife on your finger or thumbnail and sliding it. Now, that is kind of catching. It's not catching to say that it's razor sharp, but it is definitely very sharp. So what I will do is I'll try it on a piece of A4 paper and we'll see what happens. polypropylene rope. It goes straight through it without any trouble whatsoever. So that just shows you it's a capable knife. It's not a toy. I think its size makes it ideal for, you know, putting in your pocket, glove compartment, handbag. You know, there's lots of places where you could put a small knife like this. It is just really a nice, handy, it's a novelty knife, but it's also a smashing little utility knife. Make a great present for somebody, I think. So that's it, the Kubey mini pocket folding knife with a rosewood handle. It retails on Amazon for $15.99 at the moment. Now that is excellent value for money for this knife. It really is a fine quality knife. I know you would expect a utility knife to be bigger than this, but this kind of fills a little gap where you want something that takes up no space and is capable. I'm very impressed by the way it's been made and the way it's been put together. And personally, I'm really glad that Kubey asked me to review this knife, because it is a smashing little knife and I would recommend it to anybody. Anyway, I hope you found the review useful, and thank you for watching.